Okay, this is Groovy Space, and today we are in Langwarren, Victoria 3910. This is a drive-up unit, and we are starting from inside because I am standing right near the edge. Okay. This unit is quite packed to the brim. It is 4 meters deep, and you're looking from the top first. This is right from the top of the unit. You're seeing everything near the ceiling. There's a ceiling there. That looks like a baby pram there. Okay. Fishing rods here. Obviously, nothing is tested here. Okay. You can see, I can see another mattress here. There's a mattress there. That green color there. Yep. Or a base of the bed. And over here, there's 3 mattresses. And standing here near the entrance, there's 2. Looks like this is a fridge here. You can see the back of the fridge. An Xbox, clothing. Again, you're viewing everything from the top first before I proceed to go down. Okay, I'm gonna come down now. Keep focusing to the front first. Okay, now this is the actual unit. And this includes a trolley there as well. Remember, it is 4 meters deep, 3 meters wide, and it's a drive-up unit. Here is in Langwarren, Victoria 3910. It's a lawnmower catcher, so obviously there must be a lawnmower somewhere. Okay, we got a dryer here. Must be a washing machine there. Okay. Huge TV. A baby cot here. 2 mattresses as I mentioned. Okay. Some garden tools. Once again, nothing is tested. One soap, everything to be removed, nothing to be left behind. And there's a $250 cash deposit. Once you clear the unit, we'll refund you back the $250 cash deposit. This whippersnipper looks like it's never been used. The brand Let's go. It's a upright vacuum cleaner. Newspaper dated. Oh, dated 2001. A reminder, nothing is tested. There's no warranty or guarantee. Thank you for watching.